General Ahmed Sharif, thank you very much for joining us in this interview. Let me begin where it ended. Do you think this ceasefire would hold?
Pakistan Armed Forces are a professional armed forces, and we adhere to the commitments that we make. And we follow in letter and spirit the instructions of the political government and the commitments that they hold. So, as far as Pakistan Army is concerned, Pakistan Armed Forces is concerned, the ceasefire will hold, is holding. And there have been confidence building measures in communications between both the sides. However, if any violation occurs, our response is always there and then, but it is only directed at those posts and those positions from where the violations of the ceasefire happen. We never target the civilians, we never target any civilian infrastructure. That's the way we are. So our message is clear. We are for peace. We strive for peace, but if any violation is occurred, any aggression is made against Pakistan, and then our response will be very assured, it will be swift, it will be prudent.
India is clearly not interested in restoring the Indus Waters Treaty. And Pakistan described it as an act of war, as an army. What your role would be here?
I think the government of Pakistan has made it absolutely clear. There's nothing more for the army to say. I can only say that it is some madman who can think that he can stop water of 240 million plus people of this country. Dare not, cannot.
And what, as an army, what an action you would take in order to make this not happen?
You will explain those actions. I hope that time doesn't come, but it will be such actions that the world will see, and the consequences of that may be felt for years and decades to come. Nobody dare stop water of Pakistan.
What is difference in 2025 conflict from the previous conflicts with India? What's new in this conflict?
I think first thing that is new is that it was, as far as the Indians are concerned, they built this conflict on pack of lies. And starting from the Pahalgam incident, post that, it you see not a shred of evidence, not to date. 2-3 days ago, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has categorically come and stated that the investigations of the Pahalgam are still going on. So, an aggression, blatant aggression against the children, against the innocent citizens of Pakistan, women, elderly, destruction of mosques, desecration of